In this video, I'm going to tell you top 5 online courses which is available for you if you want to become digital marketer in 2025. Yes, the best thing about these courses is that they are free और ये कोर्स आप कंप्लीट करोगे तो आपको मिलेगा सर्टिफिकेट्स. नॉर्मली यूट्यूब पे इफ यू सी देयर आर टन्स ऑफ वीडियो विच इज अवेलेबल जो कि क्लेम करते हैं कि व्हेन यू कंप्लीट द वीडियो और लेट्स से द कोर्स you will able to get certification, but the reality is totally opposite and you know it very well. आप पूरा वीडियो देखोगे and you see that video is paid. So इसके लिए मैंने क्या किया है, I have curated the top 5 courses and these courses when you actually see the link and when you start applying into these courses you see that these courses are actually free because I am going to show you how to apply. I myself going to apply so that you will able to see लाइव कि इसमें अप्लाई कैसे करना है और साथ साथ में व्हेन यू कंप्लीट द कोर्स यू विल एबल टू गेट द सर्टिफिकेट्स और इस सर्टिफिकेट को कैसे यूज करना है लिंक्डइन के ऊपर सो दैट यू एक्चुअली कैन टेक सम एक्शन आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग दीज कोर्सेज. एंड इफ यू वाचिंग दिस वीडियो फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, माय नेम इज विक्रांत यादव. आई एम इनटू डिजिटल मार्केटिंग फ्रॉम लास्ट 6 years. मैंने इंडिया से यूके मूव किया ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एंड यस, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग ट्रूली चेंज्ड माय लाइफ. And that's why I love digital marketing more than anything else. So जो भी मैं बताऊंगा about digital marketing, I am actually practicing it on daily basis. And yes, I'm not like other people जो कि आपको सिर्फ कोर्स और वीडियो को सेल करके जाएंगे. उनका एक ही पर्पस होता है that you buy their course. But this channel, I've created this channel for the sole purpose, and that purpose is that I'm going to teach you digital marketing, especially the advanced level of digital marketing. For people who can't afford to buy that kind of courses जिसका कुछ वैल्यू होता नहीं by the way, because you will able to get everything about digital marketing as well as if you follow me, if you follow my journey, you will able to see and implement all the advanced strategies which people are using here right now, that is in the UK as well as European market as well as in Indian market. So without any further ado, let me start sharing my screen and show you कि आप इन कोर्सेज में अप्लाई कैसे करोगे. All right, so 5 free online digital marketing courses with certificate I am going to show you. Along with that, मैं खुद भी उस कोर्सेज में रजिस्टर करूंगा so that you will able to see कि इन कोर्सेज को रजिस्टर करके कैसे करना है. So number 1 in this list is a course called Digital Marketing Strategy by University of Edinburgh. UK की one of the top university है by the way. इस कोर्स में यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न मोर अबाउट डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एंड सम ऑफ द टॉप डिजिटल मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजीज विच इज करेंटली इन यूज इन यूके मार्केट एज वेल एज इन द यूरोपियन मार्केट. तो इस स्ट्रेटजीज को आप यूज करके नॉट ओनली यू विल एबल टू बिकम अ बेटर वर्जन ऑफ योर सेल्फ व्हेन इट कम्स टू मार्केटिंग, बट अलॉन्ग विद दैट आप उसका प्रैक्टिकल वर्जन भी सीख पाओगे. सो लेट्स गो टू दिस कोर्स. This course is available on the platform called edX. This is a platform which is kind of in association with some of the best universities in the world. So iska link I'll be sharing again once you complete watching the video by the way. So the next course, if you see, it's starting December 3. That means if you're watching this video, you can still enroll in this course. So basically ये 8 week का course है. You will able to learn around 4 to 6 per hours. Self-paced, that means recording will be available. You can always watch this course as per your own convenience. This is available for free. So as I told you, I'm not going to tell you any course जो कि free available नहीं होगा. So once you complete this course, you're going to get certifications as well. So how I'll do is I'm going to click on enrolled. And here I'll directly register with Apple, or you can register with other credentials as well. You can use Facebook, you can use your own email, and then you can directly register on this course. So let me in fact use Google because Google is more easier. I'll just use my email and we are good to go. And then I'll start with the course. Number 2 in the list is SEO course by SEMrush Academy. This is a academy where you're going to learn all about SEO इस कोर्स को मैंने खुद भी किया था स्टार्टिंग में. आई विल शो यू द सर्टिफिकेट. All you have to do is click on this link and you will land on this website. आपको करना क्या, basically once you land on this particular landing page, you have to click on start learning and again following the same process आपको basically यहाँ पे you can directly start with Ultimate 2024 Marketing Trivia, or you can start directly with this course called Get a Job in Digital Marketing with No Experience. So I think this is one more amazing course to begin with. You can directly sign in on this course. I'm signing in with my ID and then you can start learning the course. Number 3 in our list is Fundamentals of Digital Marketing, a course by Google itself. So I'll click on this link. जैसे ही आप इस लिंक पे क्लिक करोगे, you'll able to see this course. Now the best thing which I like about this course is that आपको हर एक कोर्स में whenever you complete any kind of quiz or any topic, you will able to get certificate. And when you use this certificate, let's say on your CV, or you can upload these certificates on LinkedIn, where you start posting this certificate on LinkedIn. इससे क्या होगा कि you'll able to build more credibility as well as आपको उतना ही अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी. सो यू at least start with this website. आपको करना है क्या है कि आपको जाना है लॉगिन के ऊपर. From there again, as I showed you, you have to click on sign up. And here is a quick announcement. I have created a private community for people like you जो कि डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में अपना करियर जस्ट स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, और इवन इफ यू आर इनटू डिजिटल मार्केटिंग फ्रॉम मेनी ईयर्स, you can still join that group. The main purpose again of that group is to help you, to support you, even if you are looking for a job, or let's say if you're trying to upgrade your career, if you're trying to move from India into any abroad market, that can be Germany, UK or Europe. We are here to support you. My team is there. I am there in that group. I am personally helping a lot of people, answering their questions about digital marketing. If they are running any kind of campaign, I am helping them personally. Everything for free. We are not charging anything for that community. So the link of that community is inside the description. Go ahead and join that group. अभी के लिए मैंने इस ग्रुप का कैपेसिटी काफ़ी लिमिटेड रखा है, दैट इज़ 1000 पीपल. जैसे ही इसमें 1000 लोग आ जाते हैं, आई एम गोइंग टू क्लोज दैट ग्रुप. सो यू हैव द चांस टू बिकम द इंसाइडर एट अ वेरी अर्ली स्टेज. 2025 में वी हैव लॉट ऑफ प्लान्स, बट या अभी के लिए ज्वाइन दैट ग्रुप एंड आई विल सी यू देयर. Next, number 4 is Facebook marketing course by Meta Blueprint. Now इसके अंदर you have two version. If you want to get certified, you have to pay, but you can still do the course for free. Now the reason why I have taken this course into consideration is because I believe the free course itself is very important. And when you do the free course, when you complete the course, so उस टाइम पे आपको मिलेगा एक सर्टिफिकेट. Now when you open that certificate, that way only you'll able to build as well as you'll able to get a lot of understanding about Facebook ads, how Facebook, Meta and other platform of Meta works. So this course I believe it's very useful. इसके कई सारे वर्कशॉप भी आते हैं आजकल. You can attend these workshops. For instance, training by topic. So when you click on this particular tab, you'll able to see that they are training on automation, that is AI, creative strategy, business messaging as well as measurement. Now measurement के अंदर they are going to show you how to track the conversion by Facebook API and pixels. All those very important and advanced concept which you'll able to understand only using this course, that is by Meta Blueprint. Alright, last but not least is number 5, that is inbound marketing by HubSpot Academy. Now HubSpot Academy offers variety of courses, but this particular course which talks more about inbound marketing is very useful for all the people who are starting their career into digital marketing. अगर आप start कर रहे हो अपना career, you should understand the basics of inbound as well as outbound marketing because it's a basics and fundamental. अगर आपको fundamental एक बार समझ जाएगा about how inbound marketing works, how to attract customers, how to retain customers, that way it will be very easier for you to understand other parts of marketing, that is digital marketing. So इसके अंदर if you scroll down, you'll be able to see they offer content marketing, lead generation, automation, reporting and performance, and inbound marketing. So you'll be able to do other courses as well, but I would recommend is you should start if you are a beginner with inbound marketing. The link of these courses are in the description, so go and check them out. अगर आपने इस courses को नहीं किया है, so I would recommend that you should start learning, so that way you're able to be in the trend as well as you're able to understand more about digital marketing. So guys, आज के लिए इतना ही. So do share and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video.